EMIC, the simple supply supporting system, the microchip of your future. This is Felix. Felix is a very busy student. Last week, he went to the doctor's and forgot his vaccination record. Yesterday, at his local grocery store, he forgot to bring his wallet. On Friday, he was at the club and forgot to bring his ID. Do Felix's problems sound familiar to you? We, the technical research group from Lüneburg in Germany, came up with the solution. EMIC, short for Electronical Micro-Identification Chip, is designed as a simple tool with multiple different functionalities to simplify certain daily struggles. EMIC is designed to receive, retrieve and save personal data. It monitors vital signs, offers memory space for personal data like ID and medical record, as well as the option to share those information with others. Thanks to EMIC, Felix's personal information is with him at all times. The doctor can scan the chip for his medical record, Felix can scan the chip to pay for his groceries, and thanks to his ID being saved on the chip as well, he has lots of fun at the club. You can easily scan the chip with your smartphone and access all its features and add-ons, as well as decide what information you want to share with others. And thanks to the dating add-on, Felix didn't leave the club alone. EMIC Get Chipped.